Hello everyone, my name is Elisha. I'm from Tanzania, East Africa. Okay guys, today I just want to share with you internet technique known as ajax, async JavaScript and XML. Guys, the prerequisites for this tutorial, you only need to have pre-knowledge in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Because ajax it's JavaScript, so guys, bear with me. As you can see, I'm using text editor. This is the built-in text editor in Linux. I prefer using Linux more than Windows, because my computer is very at bad situation right now. Okay guys, let's take a look and let me guide you through this tutorial. Okay guys, let's start. Okay, I'm going to create first a button. This button is like when you click it, it's going to fetch all the data for you. So let's create it, and I'm going to give it an ID of button 1. ID. I'm going to give it an ID of button 1. Button 1. Button 1. Okay, let's create a script. I'll use internal JavaScript, not external JavaScript, because it's not going to be a big issue. If it's going to be a big issue, you can apply that external JavaScript and just use the URL so that you can call it. So let's append it on the website, on the browser. Document.get element by ID. Now, how did you call it? We call it button 1. Button 1. Dot. We're going to use DOM, so we're going to add that event listener. Add event listener. So it's gonna be click, and we are going to keep we go call a function known as load text, because we are going to use text. As you can see, I don't think you're right. Yes, you're right. I think something missing, you guys. I think it's a comma. We'll see. Okay, let's create the function now. Function load text. Function load text. Function load text. Function load text. Okay. Function load text. So you're going to create now let or variable of the XML HTTP request object, and we're going to call it XHR, short form of XML HTTP request. We'll create new XML. Guys, I prefer using text editor because I just want to learn more than using auto completions, you know. It's better. HTTP request, guys. Okay. So, as you well know, let's console it. Let's console.log. There is one thing I want to share with you. Console.log XHR if we are right. So, save it. why did I keep it side here? JavaScript, ajax. I think in this place here. I think it's index 1. Let's copy it over here. Right. Index 1. Guys, I don't know. No, guys, don't be mad. Okay, I got you. Don't be mad, guys. So guys, let's keep it on. Okay, as you can see, we created the button known as load text, and we created a script, an internal script, and we say that document.getElement by ID, and then we keep the button of load text button here, and we added an event listener, which will be a click load text. So guys, I want to show you, I want to open this in a browser, and you can see in the console. Watch out, guys. As you can see, I copied the URL and pasted in my browser. As you can see, when you click the button, nothing happens, but when we inspect it, or we click F12 in Windows, or just right click it and inspect, straightforward, go to console. After going to console, click the load text. As you can see, XML HTTP requests have pop up. So all the functions which are used in XML HTTP request appears here. There is on abort, on error, on load end, and on load start, on progress, as you can see, guys. So let's keep it on. Let's keep on moving. So guys, as I said, we got a lot of functions in XML, but first of all, in XML, because we are going to start using the open, because this takes 3 arguments. Either it's post or get, the URL or the text, and if it's async, you keep it true or false. So let's do xhr. That's open. You can just cancel this console log. But open, we're going to use get. And we are going to create text. Let's keep it in a small letter. Text. It's going to be true. Okay, good to go. After there, we are going to react on the response now. So we need to create onload xhr dot onload is equal to, let's keep it an arrow functions. Then when you keep the arrow functions, let's come on your side here. and we are going to create an if statement, guys. I don't know if you're with me. We are going to create an if statement. If this the status, I know guys, you know about the status codes. We are going to keep the 200, which means we are okay. We are okay to proceed. Okay, if this status is equal to 200, let's continue. Let's continue, guys. So let's go and console it. Console. Let's log. First of all, let's keep the send. Let's send XHR. Let's send. Send. We are on the right move, guys. So what I was thinking inside here, let's keep some text inside here. Button is clicked. Button is clicked. Let's save it. Let's go back to our website. Let's do something. Okay, I got you. Let's go and create something, guys. Here, document, javascript, ajax. Text. Sudo text. Sudo I created it. Guys, I am so freaking out. Forgive me for not being good enough. So guys, so for us to see what's on the text.text, we need to call it by using console.log this.response. Let's do it. Console.log this.response text. I think guys this is going to work. It's going to work.